Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear trash on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your trash on your Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to clear your trash. And after opening your Gmail account, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of interface or menu will appear where we'll be required to scroll down over here a little bit until we can find the trash option available for us over here, which is just below the spam. Tap on trash, and all of your trash of your Gmail account or your trash email will be over here. Now in order to clear your trash on Gmail, you can see the empty trash now button over here at the top of the screen where I'm tapping. Tap on that empty trash now button and this kind of pop-up box will appear. Again, tap on the empty button over here and then your trash will be emptied or cleared out. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to clear your trash on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.